Welcome back to my channel. So I've had this half up, half down in for 3 weeks. The ponytail was sewed in and the back was glued in. If you want to see how this hairstyle looked when it was brand new, I'll have that linked in the description box below. So usually when you have a ponytail, you'll have hair wrapped around the base to cover like the wefts or whatever rubber bands were used. So that's what I'm looking for here. I was standing in front of the mirror doing my hair while also using a handheld mirror to find exactly where the hair was located around the base. It can be a little tricky and frustrating because at this point the hairstyle is old. You have more than one texture mixing in on top of frizz and just, stray hairs in the way on top of a ton of rubber bands. But yeah. Once I got that loose, it was easy to pretty much cut the thread and unravel this weft. It was just one weft wrapped around my hair, which got braided, and the weft got sewed onto my braid, if that makes sense. I know I'm not the only one, but it's such a relief to be able to get to your scalp after taking down your hair. Now it's the summertime, it's hot outside, so obviously my tracks were already slipping about a week or so ago, so I put a bobby pin in there. Yep, I sure did, to keep that track up. I still have to go to work and all of that good stuff. So those tracks were already coming out. It was easy for me to just pull these out. It might look like I'm pulling, but you don't see my face making any extreme expressions or anything like that because these tracks were literally coming out on their own. On top of that, morning glory was used. So if you don't know what morning glory is, look it up. But basically it's like a shield that protects your hair from the hair glue, and it makes it easy to take your glue-in down. Like if I run my hair under the water right now, all of these tracks will fall down with no problem. But like I said, they were already loose, so I could just pull them right off. But I do gotta get this cap off of my hair. Yes, a cap got used to protect my hair even more against the glue. And look, this cap is gonna slide right off because morning glory was used, and that's one of the benefits of using morning glory. And no, this is not sponsored. I don't know the creators, the makers of that product or anything. And now I can just unravel my braids. It's only about 4 or 5. This will be quick. Then I can finish and go ahead and shampoo my hair and get ready for my next style. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and if you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video.